Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving deep into the world of online security and privacy. With cyber threats on the rise, it's crucial to protect your online activities. While many VPNs promise the best protection, they often fall short. That's where customization comes in. Apps like Dark Tunnel VPN allow you to tailor your settings for optimal security. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to download a Slow DNS config and set it up Dark Tunnel VPN. This ensures your online privacy is top-notch. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First, let's download a Slow DNS config file. Open any web browser on your device and type UDP and Slow DNS files in the search bar. Press enter and you'll see a list of results. Click on the official UDP and Slow DNS files website. Once you're on the home page, click the hamburger icon in the top left corner to expand the menu. From the drop-down, select Slow DNS config. A small window will pop up. Click on Dark Tunnel Slow DNS. The page will display a countdown timer for 10 seconds. Once it finishes, the download button will appear. Click it, and you'll be directed to a list of Dark Tunnel configs. Choose the latest one, click on it, and then hit the download button. The file will download to your device within seconds. Now that you have your Slow DNS config file, it's time to install the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type Dark Tunnel VPN and press enter. When you see the Dark Tunnel VPN app in the search results, click on it to open its details page. Tap Install to download and install the app on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and start the configuration process. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select the config option. From there, click the import button and a new menu will appear. Select the file option, locate the Slow DNS config file you just downloaded, and import it. Within seconds, your server details will be set up and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully imported the Slow DNS config and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for enhanced security and privacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on internet security and privacy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.